Army, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys exactly how to do microwave zooms like on Capcut without having Capcut Pro. Yes, you heard right, no Capcut Pro needed. But before we start, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, I want to thank you guys for all the support on the channel recently. It really means a lot to me. Let's not waste any more time.